Hello do-it-yourself elf. Today unboxing Fnirsi wall scanner, detector. Without this equipment is impossible to imagine home repair and improvement works. It is highly recommended to use, so that, when you put a painting on the wall, you don't get electrocuted, when you drill into the electrical wires behind the wall. It is also useful for finding metal or wooden profiles behind plasterboard walls. To these profiles you can safely mount your big TV. If you have any questions or comments about this device, feel free to post them below this video. And now, let the background music play, while I look closer to this lifesaver.